Good afternoon, futures traders. Today is Tuesday, June 9th. The time is 4:25. So what I thought I'd do today is share with you how Praedox BOLT, which is one of our new strategies we've been testing. It's been in product development for a while. We're getting ready to move it into beta testing. How it did today. So it was actually very inspiring to watch. There's been a lot of hours put into this. This strategy is much different than Sentinel. Sentinel is more your trading assistant. Will make recommendations based on different key levels, as well as different types of setups, reversals, continuations, breakouts, etc. And as a trader, you have a lot of power. You have volume profiles, Fibonacci levels, open range breakouts, initial balance, and a whole bunch of other things that are built into it. With Praedox Bolt, and we've had a lot of our traders asking is can we get an automated strategy where we can let it run again supervised, because I don't condone any set and forget type of things. Just have a strategy that will automatically get the setup, enter the order, and allow you to have a max profit or max loss for the day. And that's what Praedox Bolt is. Praedox Bolt is purely based on price action and price structure and market structure. So let me show you how it did today. It did quite well. It has been doing very well. There was some losing days. You can see those in the free Discord. But let me just share that with you because today was a trending day. It has a lot of filters and protections built into it. It will take advantage of a higher time frame. It does utilize ATR. It modifies the ATR's multiplier based on the market's efficiency ratio, or the Kaufman efficiency ratio that we have built into it. It does have a direction filter as well. So there's several pieces of confluence that it looks for before it enters a trade. It also looks at market structure and protects support and resistance level. So you don't sell into support and buy into resistance, again, based on real-time support and resistance levels that get generated, plus other key levels that we have, the indicator load, like the pivot points and the value area highs and lows and the points of control, etc. So let me just share this with you, and so you can get a good idea on how it did. You can see here the point of control, the value area high and low, they're starting to form. You can see them drawn on their chart.
Filled. Target filled.
There are 4 different types of trades. There are manipulation candle signals. There's support, resistance, bounce.
Filled.
There's something called what we call a thrust. And then we have an IB trade.
Order filled. Target filled.
So you can see here, you would be done for the day right now. We do have large bar protection turned on. So when you do have your ATRs, they get pretty high. You can turn large bar protection on. You can also filter so it doesn't take trades on specific ATR. So if you want an ATR of 50 ticks or less, you could filter by that. So it won't take any of these high ATR trades. But today was a pretty good day to keep letting it run because of the trending. So it also does a nice job of keeping you out of choppy areas and getting in and out. Like I said, it's based on market structure and price action. So we have the target set for 1 ATR multiplier, and then it will adjust accordingly. So depending on the efficiency, you will see your multiplier adjust. Okay, you can see the multiplier was 1 for these. We had a break-even trade here, and it is 0.75 based on the efficiency, which was 0.09.
Order filled.
So it calculates these
Target
ratios.
Filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So you can see we are at 1 o'clock, and you can see where we are and how many ticks, what the profit is. You can see we did indeed collect over 1,000 ticks, and then we hit a few losses here. But the next couple trades did quite well, as you will see. Now 130.
Order filled. Stop filled.
That was a break even. It does have break even and different types of trails. The trail that we have here is called Bolt Guard. That's our own trailing mechanism that we have built in.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Target filled.
So we did indeed hit our max number of ticks. So we are
Order
at
filled.
245.
Stop filled.
Okay, and then we started to get some losses here.
Order filled. Target filled. Order filled. Stop filled. Order
Okay,
filled.
we're now at 330-ish.
Order filled. Target filled.
And that was it. So that was the final for the day. You can see here we had we had 18 trades, 11 which were good trades, 6 that were not. We had 1 break even for a net total of this many ticks. We then break it down by successfully how many ticks were achieved based on your ATR multiplier that it calculated. So you can see here we had several ones. We had one that was a 0.25 multiplier of the ATR. Okay, so you can see the 0.25 ATR did not do very well. The 0.5 did not do very well. The trades that did very well were the 3/4 multiplier and the 1 multiplier. And then you can see down here the equity curve or in ticks based on the different types. So our bolt trade, our I breakout trade, our manipulation candle, and our thrust. Again, these are all based on different price action. And then you can see the per trade ticks. So with that said, like I said, this is a new product that we've been developing. We put a lot of work into this and a lot of unit testing. We're now going to move into the beta testing. I'm not anticipating that this is going to be a high dollar. I'm not in it. We're definitely not in it to be making a lot of money off of these things. We're here to help traders provide good tools based on market structure and price action. If you have any interest in this, you can go to our Discord to see more. You can go right to our lab section here on Discord, our Praedox product lab, and then you can see everything we have in the lab right now or in development. Of course, you can see what some of our traders have to say about it as well, and they provide input as well into our lab. We don't do this in a vacuum. We do listen to what some of our traders are looking for and getting some interest. So like I said, it's not for sale at this point. It's purely in test mode, but I wanted to share this with you so that you can get a good idea on what Praedox BOLT is. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, shoot me a message on Discord, send me an email. Happy to respond. Have a great evening. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.